Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to grow papaya in pots, from seed to harvest. This method is simple and can be done at home, even if you have limited space. Let's get started. I'll pick a ripe papaya from the tree and use its seeds to grow new plants. First, I cut the fruit open to collect the seeds inside. These black seeds are what we'll plant later. I soak the seeds in clean water to choose the best ones. Good seeds will sink, while the empty ones float. For sprouting, I use alluvial soil because it's rich and soft. After 15 days, the seeds have sprouted. I'm so happy. The young plants look healthy and full of life. The weather is sunny today, so I'm cutting grass to cover the soil surface. I dry the grass for 3 days so insects can leave. This is a hexagon-shaped pot. It's 80 centimeters tall and 80 centimeters wide. It's big enough for papaya roots to grow well. Charcoal helps with drainage and keeps the roots healthy. I add a 3 centimeters layer of charcoal at the bottom of the pot. This is alluvial soil from a large river basin. Alluvial soil is rich in nutrients and holds moisture well. I mix it with crushed peanut shells to improve aeration. Peanut shells make the soil airy and help water drain better. Together, they create a healthy growing environment for papaya roots. This papaya plant is 25 days old since I sowed the seeds. Today, I'll transplant it into fresh soil so it can grow faster and stronger. Next, I'll use the grass I dried for 3 days to cover the soil surface. It helps keep the soil moist and supports faster plant growth. This is the key step to help papaya grow strong in a pot. I soak ripe bananas with dried cow manure. Then dilute the mix and water the plant daily. It's a natural fertilizer that boosts growth and keeps the roots healthy. Today marks 40 days since I planted my papaya tree. Now, I'll show you how to apply liquid fertilizer the right way. This step is simple but very important for healthy growth. I mix 1 liter of fermented fertilizer with 5 liters of clean water. I water the plant with this mix once every 7 days. This routine keeps the plant well-fed and growing fast. Today marks 90 days. My papaya tree has started flowering. To keep the tree healthy and help it produce more flowers and fruits, 1. Add in organic fertilizer. I mix 50 grams of NPK fertilizer with 5 liters of water. NPK fertilizer is a mix of 3 nutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. From now on, I'll apply it once every 10 days to support flowering and fruiting. Around the base of the tree, I see some old leaves. I remove them so the plant can focus its energy on flowers and fruits. These are papaya pots I planted earlier. I tilted the young plants when planting, so the trees look short but bear lots of fruit. In the next video, I'll show you how to do this technique. Welcome to Tong Garden Channel. Today, I will share with you how to grow papaya plants in pots from seeds. If you love growing plants and want to have fruitful papaya pots right at home, don't miss this video. There is road construction near my house. I took advantage of this opportunity to get clean clods of soil. I need to dry it before using it to grow plants. After 10 days, the soil was dry. Now I will crush the soil to prepare for planting. This pot measures 60 centimeters in height and 60 centimeters in width. It is very important to create a drainage system before adding soil to the pot. Helps plant roots avoid waterlogging and grow healthily. To improve drainage, I line the bottom of the pot with cinders. At this time, I will proceed to pour the small soil into the pot to prepare for planting. This papaya tree is grown in a pot measuring 80 centimeters in height and 80 centimeters in width, compliant with standards for growing papaya in pots. Because the current pot is only 60 centimeters high and 60 centimeters wide, not yet qualified, so I will add a 30 centimeters high foam box on top to ensure the right size. Currently, the pot has reached a height of 90 cm. I will fill the styrofoam box with soil first, then proceed with planting. I will sow papaya seeds directly into the pot. Note, papaya seeds need to be soaked in warm water at 40 degrees Celsius for about 10 hours. I will water the pot surface every 3 days to keep it moist. I will collect the roots of the water hyacinth plant. Then cover the pot surface when the plant grows to retain moisture and protect the soil. To ensure safety for soil and plants, I will dry the water hyacinth roots thoroughly before using. Helps prevent fungus and harmful bacteria. After 20 days, my papaya tree sprouted and grew. Now, I will use dried hyacinth roots to cover the surface of the pot. Helps protect plants and keep soil moist. My papaya tree is 60 days old. This is the time when I need to add nitrogen fertilizer to promote strong growth and improve resistance to pests. I mixed 50 grams of NPK nitrogen fertilizer with 5 liters of water to water the plants. Helps plants absorb nutrients better. I will water the plants with 0.5 liters of water mixed with fertilizer, and repeat after 3 days. See you again when the trees start to flower and bear fruit.